Good morning, students. In today's class, we are going to discuss second chapter of physics, class 12th, electric field, electric potential and capacitance. So first of all, we are going to discuss about electric potential. Okay. Then what is electric potential? Electric potential. And electric potential difference. Suppose this is a positive charge and which is surrounded by this is the electric field applied by the charge surrounding the charge. Suppose we have bring one test charge from this point to A point to B point. In the opposite direction of electric field is in this direction, and we bring the charge from A point to B point in opposite direction of electric field. So we have required work done. The work done required to bring test charge from one point to another point in the opposite direction of electric field is known as electric potential difference between 2 points by a charge Q. So work done from A to B to bring test charge is Q naught from one point to another point in opposite direction of electric field is called electric potential. So it is called VB minus VA. This is called electric potential difference between 2 points. Okay. Now the unit of electric potential difference is volt or joule per coulomb or volt. And if suppose the point A should be at infinity, then we bring the test charge from infinity to a particular point of an electric field in the opposite direction of electric field, then required work done. When we bring charge from infinity to a particular point of electric field in the opposite direction of electric field. So this term can be written as W infinity to B, Q naught is equals to VB. VB is equals to only V minus VA is 0. It is called potential. The unit of potential is also equals to volt. So W is equals to Q naught into V. But in this case, the magnitude of test charge should be very less. Suppose the magnitude of test charge is not very less, then it's also produce their electric field surrounding test charge. That's why the measurement of electric potential can be different. So we can measure the accurate potential difference. So we can take here the magnitude of test charge is very minute. Now we can say Q naught limit tends to 0 is equals to W AB upon Q naught converted into W upon delta Q. This is equals to potential. Right? Unit of the potential is volt. And one more thing is here. What is the work done to bring test charge in a constant potential? When we bring the test charge in a constant potential, where is the potential is constant, that's why VB and VA have the same values. So potential difference is 0 between 2 points, then work done is 0. That means we can say the work done is always 0 when charge moving in a constant potential. Okay, work done is always 0 when charge moving in a constant potential. Right? This is the electric potential and definition of electric potential. And now we have to study relation between electric field and electric potential. Okay. relation between electric field and electric potential. Here it is. Suppose relation between electric field and potential. Relation between E and E is the electric field and potential is V. Suppose we have one source charge, magnitude of source charge is Q, and one test charge is situated here. And the separation between them is R. When we bring the test charge from point A to point B, electric field acting in this direction, and we move from the A point to B point test charge in this direction. That's why suppose this is dr. Okay. The formula of work done equals to delta W F dot dr. Right? So delta W force, the force acting between the charges F is equals to Q naught into E. E is the electric field. So we are putting the value of F equals to Q naught into E dot dr. But we bring the test charge in the direction of opposite field, that's why we use here negative sign. Okay. So dq dw is equals to dw upon Q naught is equals to E dot dr. Okay, minus. Now dw upon Q naught is equals to, in previous topic I had discussed, this is called potential difference. The dw upon dq is not known as potential difference. So dv is equals to dw upon Q naught. Now we can write here dv is equals to minus E dot dr. Okay. So potential difference is equals to the dot product of electric field and position vector or displacement vector. The potential difference is also known as, it is a dot product of electric field and displacement vector. Clear? Or in another way we can say electric field is equals to negative dV by dr, negative potential gradient, because here volt potential is divided by distance, that's why this term is called potential gradient, and this is also known as minus gradient V. So electric field is equals to minus potential gradient, negative potential gradient of potential. Here V is a potential and negative sign is negative, and this is the sign of gradient. Okay. Now in the next topic we are going to find electric potential due to discharge, due to point charge. So next topic is electric field due to point charge. Okay. Then electric field due to point charge, we are using this relation. To find the electric field, electric potential due to point charge, we are going to use this relation. Okay. So by using this relation, dV is equals to minus, so here is minus, value of electric field and r distance, E equals to Q upon 4 pi epsilon 0 r square, right? Here source charge is capital Q. So value of electric field equals to Q upon 4 pi epsilon r square at r distance, and here is dr. Clear? The magnitude we can write is dr. Okay, dr. So after taking integration, dV minus integration Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught r square. Dr, magnitude of dr equals to, here dr equals to dr unit vector dr sin theta. Theta equals to 0 degree. R cap is a 1 unit vector. So dr equals to dr. That's why we use here dr. Clear? And we bring the test charge from infinity to at an r distance, infinite to an r distance, because we have to find potential, electric potential. So at infinity, electric potential is 0, and at point V is V. This is V, and this is R, sign of integration. After solving, we get integration of dV is V, 0 to V is equals to, in this case, minus Q, 4 pi is common, constant value, we have to take out, and the value, integration of 1 by r square dr, 1 by r square dr is equals to minus 1 by r. Okay? How we can find? By taking integration. Okay, so we can solve here. R minus 2, power going to upward, minus 2 plus 1 upon minus 2 plus 1, from infinity to R. Okay, so V minus 0 is equals to Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught minus, and here is minus 1 by R, minus plus, so V equals to Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught 1 by R, infinity to R. After solving, we get Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught 1 by R minus 1 by infinity. 1 by infinity is 0,